In this video, I'm going to show you one way that I found to get leads that are already done for me, meaning subscribers that I can send offers to as an affiliate or send them my own courses. So when I first got started online, this was perfect for me, and it might be perfect for you. So before we get started, be sure to go to the first link below this video and download 50 Ideas to Make Money Online. It's a free PDF that I think you'll enjoy reading. Okay, so with that being said, let's jump over to the site that I'm talking about. Now, when I first saw this site, and it's been around for years because I started in 2013 and I think it looked exactly the same. So don't be turned off by the, the website and the falling money. This has been a legit way for me to create income as a newbie. I can't guarantee any income to you whatsoever, but I can just show you what is working for me and why I joined this site. So, and I am an affiliate for this program, and it's awesome. Okay. So with that being said, let's go ahead. It says, it talks about, will live your dreams. Well, it is not a get-rich program, but it was a way for me to start when I was brand new without having to build all these things, because when you're new online, you really need a list of people that you can talk to every day and send them offers. But if you don't know how to set up a sales page, and you don't know how to set up an autoresponder, and you don't know what to say in an email, it's pretty well near to impossible. But this site does all that for you. So it's super, super cool. So, if we get by all the, like showy language, don't let that turn you off. But here's some real education. What is a sales funnel? And this is how it works online. You have to have people who see what you're trying to sell. And those are called leads. Leads are a potential customer of whatever you are promoting. And then, it goes on down to, prospects as far as people who really are interested in what you're promoting. And then stage 3 is someone who actually clicks on the buy button and buys what you're promoting. But it's called a funnel because it starts where it's very broad. Say this is in the wealth niche. It can be in other niches, but it's considered the wealth niche when you're trying to promote, ways to create income online from different programs and software. So the thing is, you have to have a lot of people to see your offer, because usually in the internet marketing world, you have to have at least 100 people see your offer to make one sale. And even then, this may not happen. So the more people or leads, just think of these as people getting this into their inbox that see what you're offering, the more opportunity you have to make sales. And that's how people are using this, because it's built in list of people. Okay, so if I go down, I'm going to show you it really takes, once you get this set up, it takes you minutes. Seriously, I'm gonna pause this and log in. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. They give you an affiliate link to promote this yourself. If you want to, you don't have to. And as you can see, every day they give you 100 new people. That's what a lead is. A lead is someone who, through their advertisement, to get people who say, hey, I want a new business opportunity, and you have my permission to send me similar offers. And so then they put those names and addresses of people in this software, in the system, and these become your leads that you can send emails to once a day, every 24 hours. So if you decide to do this and you get in here, be sure you watch the quick start video. And one of the most really valuable assets of being in here is the Facebook group where people are saying, this is the offer that I promoted from this marketplace. ClickBank is a great place to start as a new person online. And this is the product that I promoted. Okay. And this is how. So yesterday was my first email since 2019 because I joined in 2019 and then I went on to other things, and I wish I had stuck here as one of my income streams. Because what happens is if people buy this mailing system and leads from your link, what happens next is that as long as they stay a member, and it's $30 a month right now, and there's a $30 one-time setup. So when I came back to rejoin, they waived the $30 setup. They gave me the master email swipes for free. And so if you've been a member and you're coming back, just ask them to do that for you as well. They may do it automatically. I don't know. So anyway, I went into the statistics and I looked, at what was happening yesterday. So this email went out. It's a coloring book, PLR collection, to 9,000 people, 58 clicks, and the open rate is 6.26%, which is good. Okay, so if 910% of the people opened it, and that's 927, and as of the first day, I have not made any sales yet. Okay, but here we go. And remember, some people don't check their emails until the weekends. So I have sales coming in on the weekends in my AWeber list. So right here, this is the compensation plan. But before I show you that, I want to show you, I was so surprised when I went in here. Now, I ended my membership in, I don't know exactly what month I ended in 2019. But look at this. Even after I ended my membership, some of the people who bought this through my link were still paying $30 a month. So I was getting recurring commissions. Look at that. And these are the bump offers. And I had no idea. So I had made a total of $86. And yesterday this said, total earned not paid, and it was $41. And I put it right in my bank account, and I got it in like 12 hours. It went into PayPal, then it went into my bank account. I mean, super fast payout. And the other thing I love about this is their customer service is like 5-star. Like I was asking questions and they were emailing me super fast, and they, at certain hours of the day, and they're on a different time zone from me, they'll have a live chat box here, and or you can leave a message, and their support was amazing, seriously. So if you have any questions, that's awesome. So let's look at the promotional tools. And this is what's really awesome. It says earn money as an affiliate. You receive $5 a month on personal membership sites to customers who purchase directly from your affiliate link. And you also, if someone joins under you, and I don't usually like this kind of setup, but this one, because it's actually leads and it's a software, I don't mind doing it. But it says $4 a month on your personally sponsored affiliate membership sales, $3 a month on the people they sponsor. So it goes on down the levels. But one-time commissions are paid out on the master swipe, because once you join, then they ask you, do you want the emails already written for you, which is really a great deal, especially if you're new. I remember when I was new, I didn't know what to say in my emails. So that's really helpful. And you can always upgrade later if you don't want to do it, right away. So this tells you how the commission structure is set up, and it has to reach $30, and then you can be paid out by PayPal, check, or Bitcoin. And so yesterday, I requested it, and it came through super fast. So here's the thing that I didn't really know anything about until I started watching some videos of other people, and it says each week if you refer 5 new membership sales in a 7-day period, they will give you $100. It's awesome. So it says refer 25 new paid customers in a week and you get $500. But this right here is, a great challenge to challenge yourself to post this on social media.